Hey, second grade, and Happy New Year. I hope you all had a fantastic Christmas break and are now ready to get back to work. Today, for math, we are going to first spark our minds by practicing correct plus and minus sign usage. And then we're going to practice counting. And then finally, we are going to review making 10 to add. This lesson should be super fun, so let's get into it. All right, first on your screen, we have what looks like to be some equations that are missing a plus or a minus sign. And the directions say, drag the sign that makes the equation true. Remember to have your directions read to you. You can click the speaker button at the bottom of your screen. It will load Immersive Reader, and you can click the play button to play the text.
Drag the sign that makes the equation true.
And so now we are going to drag the sign that makes the equation true. I'll do this one with you, and then you will do the rest on your own. So this says 14 blank 5 equals 19. Okay, so I have 14 and 5, and both of these numbers are smaller than 19. And I know that when I'm adding, my sum is my bigger number. So I'm going to drag a plus sign into this box. This one says 18 something 3 equals 15. All right, and already I see that my first number is my biggest number. So that's telling me that I need to subtract to get a smaller number. So I'm going to drag over a minus sign. So I have 14 plus 5 equals 19, and 18 take away 3 equals 15. Click the next arrow to move on. You have 16 blank 6 equals 22, 17 blank 8 equals 25, 13 blank 4 equals 9, 21 blank 6 equals 15, 24 blank 9 equals 15, and 15 blank 5 equals 10. So remember, to solve these, you're just going to drag the plus or the minus sign into the circle to make that equation true. Moving on, we have some new directions. Click the speaker to hear the directions.
Type the number that comes next in the counting sequence.
All right, so we want to type the number that comes next in the counting sequence. That means we're going to have to do some counting. 21, 22, 23, 24. What comes next? 25. Enter 25 in the box, and then click the next arrow. Count with me. 36, 37, 38, 39, and enter the number that goes in this box. 59, 60, 61, 62. Enter the number that goes in the box. Count with me. 70, 75, 80, 85. Enter the number that goes in the box. 85, 90, 95, 100. Enter the number that goes in the box. And here we are with another activity with a new set of directions. Click the speaker down below to hear the directions.
Write an equation that matches the model, and then make 10 to solve.
All right, so we're going to first write an equation that matches the model. So we're going to get a pen tool so we can write an equation. Count your tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, let's do that again, but let's count by tens when we do it. 10, 20, 30, 40. And now add our ones. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. And now we count the remaining ones to find out the second number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 47 plus 8. And now we're going to make 10 to solve. So it looks like I'm missing 1, 2, 3 to make 10. And that's where these 3 are going to come in. So I'm going to get these 3 over here and make a 10. Now I have 10, 20, 30, 40, and this is now a 50. So I'm just drawing a 10 in there to remember that this equals 10. So I have 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, and 55. 47 plus 8 makes 55. Okay, so that's what you have to do on those. Again, write an equation that matches the model. So count your 10s and 1s. Looks like you have 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. And then count your other ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we have 35 plus 7. So I have 5 over here, 7 over here. This one's closer to making a 10. So it looks like I need 3 more. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to get 3 from over here and make a group to make 10. Here's my 10 now, reminding myself. I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42. So I have 35 plus 7 equals 42. Here's another one, another one, another one. And you have 3, 2, and 1 for a total of 17 slides for math. Okay. Remember to do your best work on all of the slides. I know you can do it. This is what we practiced before we left for Christmas break. Remember that if you have any questions, you can ask me them on Zoom. And also remember that when you are done with your assignment, to turn it in Google Classroom. All right, guys, that's the end of today's video. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you again on Zoom. Bye.